Welcome to What is Analysis. In this video, we're going to be looking at the basic mathematical functions of Excel for adding multiplications, sums, and averages. The basic things and things you'll use most often. You can either go to the insert function to look for what you need, or you can just go here at AutoSum, and here you have the most commonly used. We'll start with sum. Here, if you click on this icon, it'll basically do the sum of the last thing you need. You can select multiple rows; it'll have the exact same effect. Or that's one way of doing it. Or if it's more complicated, you can just use the sum value and then target what you want. It can be on multiple rows and columns, so what you choose is up to you. And you can also, that's basically it. And that's for the basic for sum. Average value has, you can basically get the average, like in say for sales in Q1, you can basically get what the average is. Like in this case, it would be 37.2 sales, and that way you can basically help you evaluate your salespeople or whatever you need to do. Here you can basically count how many numbers you have and how many values you have. Like in this case, you have 25 values. So 25 quarters, or whenever you have a large data set and you want to add, that's one way of doing it. Because you can also add, in this case you can add, but their ranges a lot of times are, you can oftentimes add them and have multiple results. Like in this case for counts, you basically have to read what's in the toolbar, like here value 1, value 2, value 3, and so forth. So you can add multiple ranges. So it's not simply multiplying the rows by columns, but you can have multiple rows and columns that you can count in different locations. Next, what do we have? Counting the maximum. Let's say that you need to see what the best performance is and the numbers aren't obvious. Basically select a range. And in this case, we have 93. Which, here we go. It is 93. Or if we need to find the minimum value, here when we selected it, it'll give us by row. Or since that's basically what we selected, if we selected everything from here, it would give us a completely different value. In this case, it should be 0. As you see, this is from C2, and we want to G6. So here we'll just type it in manually. And here we go, 0, exactly what we expected. Alright, so these are some of the basics. There's a lot more basic functionality that you can get. You can basically look at averages, absolute values, and all the rest. What you need to do and what you want to do, you can basically experiment with it to your heart's desire. Some more functions. Yeah, here we have the list of all of them. Absolute value, cosine, and the rest. Alright, thank you.